Hello, everyone, to our weekly Thursday webinar here on our YouTube channel on HeyGen. I'm not alone today. I will do this webinar with my colleague Joy from the customer success team. So, hello, Joy.
Hi.
And and today it's one of the biggest day so far at HeyGen. I will keep you updated in a bit. First, I want to welcome everyone. So good morning, good afternoon, even good night. Like we always have a globally audience here in our webinar. So I want to welcome everyone. I can already see like USA for sure, Canada, Europe, France, Germany, Switzerland, Kenya also. That's fun. So please let us know where everyone is from. Actually, we would love to see this. And yeah, we can't wait actually to finally announce something to every one of you before we will get started. So I will play right away a video, and then we will do the intro again. But let me share with everyone a very, very exciting announcement here at HeyGen. Maybe some of you already noticed this, but Joy, I will just play the video, right?
Sure. Yeah. Let's do it.
I'm Joshua, CEO of HeyGen. I'm excited to announce our new funding led by Benchmark and to welcome Victor Lazate to our board. We're on a mission to help businesses grow by making visual storytelling accessible to all. Today, more than 40,000 companies use HeyGen to create, localize, and personalize videos just like this one. Our community ranges from small business owners to international nonprofits to Fortune 500 companies. We're inspired by the stories you tell with HeyGen. This funding accelerates our product roadmap so we can give you even more ways to tell your story. To our global community, I want to say thank you. Gracias, merci, grazie, danke, and arigato. We're just getting started.
Yeah, so we can finally announce our fundraising led by Benchmark today for the 60 million. So it's a very, very exciting day for us, for everyone at HeyGen. It was a great team effort the last couple of months, but to be honest, we also want to thank you to our community and even to our even your audience here. And hopefully you can get started with HeyGen to create actually your stories on our platform. We would love to support you here. So this is also a reason why we're doing this webinars every Thursday with different topics. For example, maybe Joy, you can share this link with us to on our webpage where everyone can as well see some of this more in place information. If someone is interested, please click on this link and you will see all the details here. That's very, very exciting actually, but also was very tough the last couple of weeks to make everything happen, to announce this today. So it will be published on our social media channels like LinkedIn and X, and also like here on YouTube and on a Facebook group. So everyone who is joining us for the first time, we will give every one of our audience from today 5 free credits. So Joy will share the link at the end of this webinar. One thing I already want to mention is please make sure that you have an account connected with your email address you are filling out the type form at the end. It's always like, I will not say complaints, but we will get a lot of questions like, hey, I don't get my 5 free credits. Yes, maybe it's you're using the wrong email or you don't have already an HeyGen account, even if it's a free account. So I just want to make sure everything works for you. So I would say like, let's get it started. So I will hand over to you, Joy, right now, because you are in the customer success team. Maybe you can just let everyone know what it really means, what it is, like what are you dealing with every day? And then for sure, because we are a Gen AI platform tool where you can make your storytelling like visual, like maybe you could also give us an overview about the use cases from our existing partners or like what kind of request we are getting. So yeah, please go ahead and show us around.
Yeah, thanks, Nick. Yeah, I think this is a very exciting day for HeyGen, and everybody in our team is very excited. And also, this is like the Thursday we have this kind of weekly webinar to our audience, to our community. So I'm Joy. I'm from HeyGen customer success team. So for our team, we're trying to most focusing on the post sales process to help our enterprise, especially the B2B enterprise customer, help them training, onboarding, and also our main goal is to help our customer get the best value of our product. So I think in today's webinar, as Nick mentioned, we will be give our audience some live demo, and also we will be share some existing use case, and maybe because this is like a live webinar, so we also hope to discuss and explore more like different use case with our audience. So probably we provide like prepare some slides for this webinar. I will be just go ahead and share my screen.
Yeah, and also if you it's live, if you have some questions, please like just share it in the chat here. I will have a look, or Joy will have a look, so we can respond directly if you have some questions. But Joy, go ahead.
Sure, Nick, can you see my screen now?
Everything, yes.
Oh, nice. So for HeyGen, like we are trying to make virtual storytelling can be accessible to all. So we so today we are most focusing on like B2B use case and like enterprise customer. So for each business, we know this is like a video first like time that every business want to create their own like business videos, marketing videos, learning and development videos. But sometimes make a very high quality video is consume like a lot of time, people, and money. So usually it's need like a professional video team to help you to write the script. You will be like film the videos in a professional studio. You need a post-production teams to doing the professional video editing, and also like you need a entire like localization team to help you to translate the video content into different languages. But for HeyGen, we are trying to build up a AI video creation platform to help you to create videos, localized videos, and also maybe have a streaming avatar to do this kind of videos in a very interactional way, and try to make the videos this kind of process much faster and easier. So if you see this graphic, we are trying to like demo, like trying to compare like professional like traditional video production process and AI video generation process. So it's like 10x faster. So for
HeyGen lets you create local.
for us, like nowadays we have more than like 40,000 business around the world trying to using HeyGen to create a video and generate the videos. So and also like if you see this graphic, we are trying to like mapping our capacities from our platforms, how we can better support our customers to create the videos, localized videos, even create a personalized message, or like you can using the streaming avatars to doing this kind of live interaction with your digital twin. So here we have a demo video about our chief business officer Dave. We want to demo this video and to show you how HeyGen can help you to make a video in this way.
Localize and personalize videos in any language, like German. Hallo, ich spreche Deutsch, or in Japanese like this. 実際の生活でもこれぐらい上手に日本語を話せたらいい。Simply type your script and generate studio quality videos in seconds.
Yeah, it was a bit it could be a bit more volume actually. It was not so loud. If everyone could hear this, I don't know. But just to give you an idea, like, and I saw like one question. Yes, you can for sure like create your own custom avatar. So you don't have to use like our provided public avatars. You could even create your avatar from your own person for sure and use it in actually our tool. So yeah, Joy, maybe you can. Do we have any chance to make it a bit louder and you can replay it, like maybe on your Mac or anything?
Um, yeah, maybe I can try it if it's much louder.
Because the volume was a bit too low, I guess.
Yeah,
So
probably because I'm adding it to the slides. Maybe we can demo another video from
yeah, sure. But
later.
let's have a look.
Okay.
HeyGen lets you create, localize, and personalize videos in any language, like German. Hallo, ich bin spreche Deutsch.
No,
or
no,
Japanese.
still not too loud. But we will do another demo in a bit. So all good.
Sure.
So it's okay. So yeah, go on.
Yeah. So for the next slides, we are trying to mapping our existing AI product in this product map. So I think today, especially for like business enterprise use case, we will be highlight our most like popular feature, that is video avatar and video translation. I think we will be give you a like live product demo, and also we have like personalized video, have the streaming avatar, and this year we have new two product in our HeyGen labs, that is URL to ads for some e-commerce use case, and also instant highlights, like you can repurposing your like long video to short clips. So this is very exciting, and we are trying to make the best use of today's time and to highlight and like dive into the video avatar and video translation. So Nick, do you want to directly introduce more about the video avatar part to the audience?
Yeah, sure. So I would say like just to get a better overview. So we have two main features for sure, like the core products at HeyGen. It's the avatar where you create like new content as like educational training videos, and the video translation feature where you actually can just use your existing videos in, doesn't matter what the input language is, like is it English or French or German or Spanish, Japanese, and then you actually can just like select a new language, and then the video outcome will be in this new target language, and it looks like that you or the speaker in the video speaks perfectly the new languages, because we will also take care about the lip synchronization for sure. So like dubbing, just the normal dubbing is even like past technology. So the really new future technology is that we also take care about the lip synchronization. So this is something special about HeyGen. So let's dive in for the avatar itself. If you have questions, really just do it right away, and then we will answer all the questions. Joy and me, we will have a look. So if you see the, like for the first time actually the interface at HeyGen, you will see something similar like this. It always depends on what kind of plan you are, for sure. But with the 5 free credits from today, you can directly start. So maybe Joy, you can mute yourself just for a bit, just to have a good audio quality here. So if you go to HeyGen, you can go to the video avatar. With this video avatar, you can create now your own instant avatar. So, and this works for sure for yourself, for your colleague, for your employees. It's just like important to notice that you always need a live content video. Okay, so for the enterprise, for sure, we have a different option as well to make it like not so complicated, but we have to protect everyone. So there are like security guidelines we have to follow. So we always need a consent video. There are just like different ways how to upload this kind of videos. So if you want to go for the instant avatar, let us just separate like these two avatars we are like offering here at HeyGen. The first one is the instant avatar. So the instant avatar is a really casual way how to record, and it will be in your account after 10 minutes, like the full workflow. So instant means using, for example, a smartphone camera, upload the footage. The footage just has to be like 2 minutes, okay? So, and then you upload this, you do your consent, and then after 5 to 10 minutes, we will train your input video to create your avatar. And then you will see it directly here in your library, and you can start to create content with your provided avatar. So I did it several times now, even live. So if you go back to our YouTube channel and go to like the live section, you will see like how to create your first avatar, best practice. So you can have a look to this webinar as well, how exactly it works. Then on the other hand, we have studio avatars. So studio avatars is a bit different way. It's because you have to be and you have to record yourself in a green screening setup, like very professional way. You have to follow our guidelines, and then you will get really the best quality so far in this industry. And then you can start to produce content with your studio avatar on a really high level. So how does it work? Maybe we just jump into a quick demo here to really show our AI studio as well, because it's so easy to create your first video with HeyGen. You have these two options here. If you go to AI Studio, you can have a project itself. You can also use our templates actually to build something on top. So you don't have to start even from the beginning. You could also start with our provided templates, for example. Just select one.
To this versatile.
And then just put it in place. And then what you could do is, if you see the scene, you could just change the avatar, for example, to your own avatar. You can remove the background actually, and then you can just do all the adjustments you want to provide. So you can change the text itself. You can for sure change like the font if you want to. You could do whatever you want to. If you see the timeline here, you will see all the different type of assets in your B-roll you can add all the time to make it very personal. What I want to mention is on the left side, there is this asset. So this means you can upload all your brand kits like logo, colors, fonts, like the images, all the videos. So you could put everything in place to really be so personalized with your own like videos. You could also, if I go just back real quick, you could also generate a script with the help of GPT-4, or you can also import PDFs or PowerPoint presentation and then put or like add your avatar on top to describe what I can see in the PowerPoint presentation. So this is also a way to produce the videos in first place. After you select for sure your avatar, you can always start from scratch as well, so you don't have to use the provided templates. You can always start and just do it on your own if you want to. You can add your logos, you can add your images, whatever you want to. You can add your text. You also have the element here to really like just search for a different type of images. If you say like, I don't know, TV channel, anything like this, you will also have stock footages, images, and also videos that you could choose from. So you can always have a different type of background if you want to. With the voice, I just want to mention something. Yes, so if you provide us a video, we will clone the voice. So you can use your own voice. And if you want to have an even further improvement, we have a strong partnership with 11 Labs. So you could even use your API key from 11 Labs, put it to HeyGen, and then you could use your even more trained voice and like connect it to your avatar. This is completely doable, and it's really like very, very good results so far in this technology, even if it's so young. So that's actually the most exciting part. Like this technology is not already here like for 10 years. It's just really, really new. So you can start and create all these different scenes in different type of languages. So for example, if I use my own voice here and the text is in English, I can just use this, for example, this emoji here, like this button, and then I can just change it to Spanish, for example, and then with the help of GPT-4, it will be translated to Spanish. So now actually my avatar will speak this text in Spanish. So that's actually the remarkable thing. You can do it
Bienvenido a la nueva era de la creación de videos con HeyGen. Simplemente escribe tu guión para comenzar.
Yeah, so just remember, just when you submit actually your video, it will be with the lip synchronization. So right now it's just a pre-listening actually about the voice, how it sounds like. And you could also like take care of the pronouncing. So if you really want to make sure that your branding or your company name is pronounced in the perfect way, you can make sure here with this feature that everything is really on track. So Joy, do we have any questions so far for the avatar part here?
Yeah, I think we have already mentioned like we have the integrations with 11 Labs.
Yeah.
And we have another customer ask, are we using OpenAI voice?
So the OpenAI voice is for sure doable and accessible for the enterprise clients. And the good thing about this voices here is that we can create different type of emotions. So we could have like 5 different emotions that we can add to your voice. It will require a different type of script, but yes, it's doable. It's in public and it's also doable individual on the enterprise stage. Yes.
Yeah, I think this is a very nice feature, the emotional wise. Sometimes we previously heard our customers' feedback is they think like the AI voice sometimes is a little bit robotic, without any emotion. But now you can adjust the emotion to fit for a different like use case.
It's a great point actually, Joy, because we see this a lot, okay, that yeah, it's a robotic, it doesn't sound really good, but it has also something to do how your script is written down for like the input video. So if we can find a better way how you record or like how to set up the script in first place, you will get a better result. AI is still like input equal output. So we have to take care. It's the same for the avatar actually. So if you provide a not really high quality video of your avatar, you will not just receive like the best possible avatar at the end, okay? So we have to make sure that you even get or even provide us with a very good input, like the script itself for the voice, but also for sure for the video itself for your avatar. Very good point, Joy. Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
and sorry,
yeah.
Nick.
No.
I saw another question is
Yeah.
a great question. Like, will HeyGen add translation to PowerPoint sometime in the future?
Translation to PowerPoint. So what do you mean? Like
Yeah.
what?
What I understand for this question is, do you remember previously you have shown me a feature like when we generate a video in AI Studio, there is a translation button. We
Yeah.
can translate the text, and also we can translate the PowerPoint text for that video.
Yeah. So the like one feature we have, but we have to take care here that everyone understands this now. So for example, if you have your video and the text actually in the background is written down in our canvas, like with our fonts text, like in our AI studio, then actually you can just translate the full video, like the voice, but also like the text in the background. But it's just working really if you put the and add the text in our AI studio right now. So it's not just like you can upload any kind of PowerPoint presentation with a default text already in the background, and then you just press a button and everything will be translated. We are working on this. I know it's a big like feature request actually, but we did the first step that you can just like translate even the text in the background when it's happening and created in HeyGen AI Studio. And the next step will be for sure that you just upload, let's say, a PowerPoint presentation in English, and your script is also with the voice like in English. So you will generate the video in English, and then you can just like, and this is our target, just press one button, let's say Spanish, and everything will be in Spanish, not just the voice, even the text in the background from your PowerPoint presentation. I think everyone knows this from like the Google feature where you can just like enable your camera and the text, I don't know, whatever kind of text, it will be always like instantly translated in your language you want to. So we are searching for the same technology, but we are not satisfied right now with the results we are getting. So we are improving this from week to week, and then hopefully we can launch this feature that you can translate everything in a very short way now, and in a very easy way with HeyGen. Yes, great question, Joy.
Thanks.
Okay, so maybe Joy, you just want to mention like what are the most use cases right now again for the avatar when like a client is reaching out to you. I mean, you also, this is a good thing, when everyone is onboarding at HeyGen, there are two ways, right? So we have a live webinar that you are doing, like an onboarding welcome HeyGen webinar. And also like you are also offering like a one-on-one meeting for sure if someone is asking for. So you will explain how to set up the account, and you also get a better understanding what the use cases are. So maybe you can just share with us what are the most common use cases so far with our enterprise clients.
Yeah. I think this is a very nice question, especially when I meet like different kind of customer every day. I find it's very excited. Like when people want to using the avatar, they can use it in many different horizontal ways. For example, I can separate it from the internal use case and external use case, especially for the business, like the enterprise company. For example, for the internal use case, firstly, they can using their avatars to create some internal communication videos. For example, we welcome some new hires, or like we doing some like company announcement for the internal team. And also another use case for internal is for the internal training. For example, their learning and development team, their HR team, they can create by using their avatars to create the onboarding training videos or this kind of company educational training videos for the employees. So this is for the like the internal use case, what I saw like the most frequent use case. And also like the companies are willing to using that for some external consumer facing content. For example, their marketing teams, they're trying to using the avatars to create some product update, product tutorial, or product announcement videos by using HeyGen.
Yeah.
And also like localization team, they can using the avatar to create different language videos to approach different language consuming countries. So this is like the external team, and this is most for the business use case. And also for the individual users, some individual content creators, they also using their avatars to create a video share in their social channels. So I would like to see the use case is very like horizontal, and we see like people using that for a very innovative way to create the content and videos every day.
Yeah, it's actually great to see like we are getting more and more use cases. It's really about also multilingual. It's not just like, hey, I can now just in an easy way create like videos in my own language, also to reach out to new audiences in different languages, but it's also like really in-house. So if you, for example, in France and normally you're speaking French, but you have a corporate company and you're acting in like multiple like countries with different type of nationalities with your employees, you want to make sure you get a better experience with the communication. And now you can just translate instantly to over 100 languages and accents and locals, and just create one video, translate it to all the languages, and then just send it around to make a really better communication possible. And that's doable with HeyGen. Let me just go to two things here I just saw. One thing is, yes, you could also use Canva. So you could go to Canva, download the HeyGen app, and create all the videos in Canva. This is doable. Just have a look. The integration is in our HeyGen labs, actually. The second thing, what about blocks to video? Interesting feature request, actually. Let me think about this. This could be very cool. Joy, could you just mute for a sec? So and then we also have this blocks to video is actually a very, very interesting thing, because we already have URL to add. We could, let me think about this. It's a very good point, actually. Thank you so much. This is very good. And then I had one more question here. Yes. So like the translation itself. So podcast. So if the podcast itself, for sure, is provided with a video and we take care about the lip synchronization, yes, this is the perfect way to do it. So you could also do just the dubbing itself from your podcast. But again, HeyGen is a Gen AI video tool. So we want to make sure you will get the feature with the like lip synchronization. We have the feature audio only, so it will be doable. But for sure, it is not like our main goal to just do the dubbing. We want to take care about the lip synchronization at the end. And like Joy and even me, so we will help you to really do a great job with this translation. In first place, we will show you how to use the video translation. And maybe also it's a good turnaround now that you can show us like video translation feature, because for sure a lot of requesting to this feature. So please give us an overview, Joy, how video translation looks like.
Yeah, Nick. Yeah, we can go ahead and demo like video translation feature. As you said, this is like another like very popular feature of HeyGen. I think video avatar is most like you want to create some new videos by using AI. Video translation is most use cases you already have an existing video. You want to translate this one language to any other language and make it at scale. So I just go ahead and share my screen again. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. So now we are.
Joy, one sec. Maybe you can just go to labs on the bottom left, or just to show like the Canva app. Yeah. So there's the Canva app actually. So I just want to make sure everyone knows where to find this interface. So go to labs on the bottom left interface. You'll see like Canva app, but also the Adobe Express. If you want to create your videos, because yeah, Joy, you know this, and you also get this a lot of in your calls, a lot of companies out there, or even users working with Canva, they are more familiar with Canva, but you can add your avatars to Canva. Yes. Okay,
Yes.
sorry.
Yeah, no worries. This is a very good point. Like people, if your workflow, the existing workflow is in Canva, you can just use like Canva HeyGen integrations to adding the talking avatars to your existing design. And also, I think this HubSpot integration is like a new integration, because I know there is a question mentioned like blocks to video. I think this new feature is can turn like the blog post into a AI video. This is a better new feature. If the customer are interested about it, please go ahead and test this new feature. So we are moving to video translation. So as Nick mentioned, like the most magic part for HeyGen video translation is we do not just doing the traditional dubbing. We translate the entire video, doing the voice cloning and also change the lip sync. So how you can do that for HeyGen is especially for the enterprise customer, you can upload a video here. For example, I just try to upload Dave's video here, and you can always click create a new translation. So you can using AI directly translate this video. But there is another step is if you want to review the transcript, want to make sure the video translation quality is good, you can always generate the proofread first. And this is like an enterprise only feature. So if you click generate proofread, you can see you can select like the different kind of languages, target language you want to translate. So nowadays, HeyGen is support 70 different languages and 170 different locales. So you can choose multiple different languages you want to translate here. And for example, I just random choose some of the target languages. And for the original language, you can choose auto detect. But if your video have a very strong accent, we also recommend like you can choose that specific languages. And then number of speakers, you can also like select auto detect. But sometimes if you know the exact number, you can just go ahead and choose that. Nowadays, HeyGen support translate the video up to 10 different speakers. And then you can just confirm and submit. So like generate proofread won't consume the credits. The credits is only consumed when you review the script and you finally translate your existing video. So I'm just want to
Yeah,
share.
just also here's one comment, and I think it's also an important comment. With the video translation itself, you will always get the best results if you really just provide us the raw material. Yes, it's true. And then you add the B-rolls at the end. So because the comment here, Joy, was like, why is it not working well with background music? Yeah, it will really like distract the AI to do the best job. And then, yes, the lip synchronization and the result will be not on point. So if you could add and upload the video in more raw and then do all the B-rolls after this, you will get the results you're looking for. But also, this is something we are improving, that you could even translate and get the best results with all the B-rolls in the video. But still right now, the AI has a lot of challenges with like fast editings or cuttings, like all this, I would say, type of TikTok videos. It is not really for this right now. It is more really for training and educational videos, informational videos, update videos, presentation itself, like front facing one speaker. But we are working on this, improving our technology and our AI really from week to week to get better results done. But it's a value point here in this comment. But still, if you would like add the raw footage, translate it to a new language, and then do the B-rolls after this, you will get the results you're looking for. But we are improving this technology.
Yeah, that's a very good point. Yeah, so probably I just go to our new proofread studio. So we just update our this new design for the proofread workflow. So if you see this new design, like once you like submit generate the proofread, you will see like the AI can just like generate the original transcript and also like the translation transcript. So in this proofread studio, everything here can be editing. So you can let your native speakers, your professional translators to go into the proofread studio to help you to review the content and make sure everything is good, everything is native, and then you click submit this video. I think we want to highlight in this new design, we are trying to make this kind of video preview much more like smoothly, and you can always preview your videos here and see the different like speaker track, see the transcript here, and also if you see this is the second speaker of the videos, and also you can just drop to adjust the time code because previously we hear the most of the pinpoint from our customer is, for example, you want to translate English to any other language, but sometimes because of the different languages, if you want to convert like the same meaning, but the pronunciation time is different, so it's a little bit hard to match it 100%. But now for this kind of proofreading design, you can adjust the time code here, and also you can during the preview here, you can always click this like play button.
Laten we Tim's uitdagingen in video
to here to preview the speed. If it's like speed up or slow down, you can adjust the transcript here or adjust the time code. So it's much more flexibility than before, than our previous design. And also if you see here, like you can, once you confirm all the transcript here, you can always just click this preview button to review the entire video before you submit. You cannot see the lip sync here, but you can always hear the sound. And after you submit the video, if you click submit, it will be tell you like how many credit it will be consumed when you finish this video. And also you can include the captions like into your translated video. Yeah, this is about our proofread studio. Nick, do you have some point you want to add in this new design?
It's just like one more time, like the feature request that we do like a low resolution preview even with the lip synchronization, just to make it a bit more like user friendly. Actually, I still think it's a great point, but we don't have it right now. But yeah, we will work on this. Maybe we will find a way very soon that you even have like, let's say, low quality preview with lip synchronization to get even a better user experience done. Then I also have a feature request here. I think it's more for audio, like for Avatar itself, to have like different type of background musics. Maybe I don't really understand it because normally it should work, but I can have a look at it. So normally you can add multiple background musics. You just have to cut it, but I can have a look as well in this. And then one more, like Avatar is like two avatar in one scene talking to each other. Like I still don't really get the use case, because you could, but maybe you can explain me and write an email to me that I have a better understanding why this should be important. But we don't get this feature request so often, so we have to prioritize like our improvements. But yeah, please prove me wrong and send an email to us and explain me why, what's the real use case behind this, that I can think about this.
Yeah, sure. And also I see a question is about like enterprise customer support. And so for our enterprise customer, we have the customer success manager usually help the customers to onboarding, training. And also if you have some support questions, we can jump in a Zoom call to discuss the questions and help you to figure out the problems.
Yeah, 100%. And also, like, just to make one more thing sure, in this translation, in this transcript, what Joy is showing us here, you can edit your own things. So it's not just like the translation itself. You are like able to change the text itself to make it really on point. And also here is for sure the feature about the pronouncing, so that you can make sure that the word is really like pronounced in the correct way. This feature is also here in the video translation.
Yeah, sure. If you just click this word, there is a feature called pronunciation. So you can tap in the pronunciation here, and then it will be just pronounced as the way you tap here. And also you see like we have a feedback button. So if you have any other feedback, please write it here, and our product team will be very willing to like receive the feedback from this new design version. I think this is just the V1 we launched, so we will have V2, V3 to optimize this kind of workflow and process.
Yeah, I just got some feedback back from these two avatars in one scene, but I mean you still have it front face, so there is no way it will look great. So what we have to do is actually we should have avatars that could like sit down in a like different type of face angle, and then you have this scenario of a podcast feeling. Right now you just like have two avatars front facing standing next to each other. So I don't really know if this would be a great user experience even for your customers then to have this kind of avatars two speaking in the same scene. So if we want to do it, we want to do it right, that they could really sit down and you have sitting and look at each other, so to get a bit more podcast feeling. But let me think about this and speak with our CPO, Wayne. By the way, he will join us next week in this webinar and speak about the latest updates about HeyGen. So our CPO, Wayne, will join with me this webinar just to give you a quick preview here on this. So Joy, is there anything missing at this video translation? Maybe you can just give us one more time about the real use cases. So is it just learning and development? Is it marketing also? What is the most use case right now again for our enterprise clients?
Yeah, I think the video translation, video avatar sometimes the use case is a little bit overlap. So, but I think for video translation, the most popular use case or like the team will be using that is like the localization team for the big enterprise, and they can just using this kind of features to translate the content. But now like the AI translate is not 100% accurate, so they still need a real human translator to help them to create this like to complete this process. But this is like a efficient tool help them to translate the content, and also like they like the voice cloning and lip sync, and also like as we previously mentioned, like a marketing team, training team, they are willing to use this kind of software.
Yeah, perfect. So really try it out. Joy will share now the 5 free credits to everyone, like the link where you can, I would say, not apply, but the type form you can fill out to make sure that you will get your 5 free credits from this today webinar. And get started with HeyGen. I think you will find your use case, and we are always here to support, like even our support channel. If you have further questions or anything you want to, maybe understand in a better way how to use it. And then we would love to see you again on the next Thursday webinar. Or Joy, maybe you have something else that you want to share.
Yeah, I think I'm really happy to share this kind of use case doing the live demo, and also I think it's very exciting. We see different kind of use case. Sometimes we just learn from our customer, because the customers use case usually like inspire us. We say, oh, we can using this kind of technology, do this kind of video. So we are very open like to our customers' feedback, and also if you have some different use case you think that will be helpful for your business, please just let us know. I think for our team, we are always like willing to hear like our customers' feedback, and also try to like build up our like platform technology to fit your use case and to help your business success.
Yeah, great point, Joy. This is actually how we are building the product at the end. It's really like we are shipping very fast with our products. And then we will need for sure the feedback from our clients. This is why we are working so close with our enterprise clients, that we just get a better understanding like what you really need and where are like still things we have to improve to make this like user experience better on our platform. And this is why we are actually so far right now with our technology, because of the help and the feature request and also the feedback from our clients. And then we are working together to improve this. So yeah, so please all the time share the feedback with us, or even feature requests that we can offer a better technology and a better platform at HeyGen. So yeah, very good point, Joy. Okay, so share the link. If you're not like, did you do
Yeah,
it?
I share it in our like live chat. So there is a link. You can fill out the tab form to get the free 5 minutes free credits.
Yes, exactly. Fill it out. Make sure that you have an HeyGen account again, that we can add the credits to your account. So this will normally happen in the next 24 hours. So yeah, and then I would say I would end it up actually. So please, Joy, I would say the last words are for you. I would love to see you on next Thursday on this webinar with our CPO Wayne to give you the latest updates on our HeyGen platform. I think we have something very exciting to show everyone. And then yeah, would Joy, please, the last words today just for you.
Oh, thank you, Nick. I just want to thanks for our audience, like join our webinar. Yeah, we will keep doing it every Thursday. Yeah.
Okay, so greetings globally to everyone. Have a good night or start to the day, and then yeah, talk to you and see you next Thursday. Bye, Joy. Bye,
Bye.
everyone.